Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform an update on the GoPro Hero 13. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, navigate to Preferences, then scroll down and look for About. Enter it, then there's the GoPro Updates, and right here we'll be able to scan the QR code on the camera with our smartphone. So grab your smartphone, open the camera on that smartphone, and then go for the Google Lens. Now grab your smartphone and scan the QR code on the camera. Open the link. It should pair you or transfer you to the website where you can download the GoPro app. Then when it's downloaded, we can connect our camera. And if there's any updates, you will see them right here, but as you can see, there's no updates because I downloaded them previously. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.